Hello guys. Today guys was the last class in my school, but food have been brought today, brought together. This is a place whereby the all the food have been brought together, different culture, different tradition, different country, yet we shared one table together. As you can see, this is Spain, different culture, different food, different country food, but the good part of it, we all shared one table together, which is the symbol of love, togetherness. One meal, we all ate it together, and one unforgettable moment. Everyone brought a piece of their culture food, from traditional dishes to homeland favorites. We tasted, as a matter of fact, we all tasted the world together without even leaving our classroom. That is the good and the funny part of it all. Food speaks a language, as a matter of fact. It speaks the language no one can understand except the people that eat it. Everyone understands one's other's culture by the food. On our final day in school, we celebrated friendship, diversity, and even respect through the meal, through the food we all share together. To my own interpretation, this was a table full of food. A table full of food later now became a table full of different story. Every dish carries history, as a matter of fact, carries culture and memories from different parts of the world, as you can see. As you can see, this very one, which country is this one ringing the bell to your ear? We all arrive from different background, as you can see, but we left as one family. Share love together, embrace one another, sharing food, reminding us that our differences can bring us closer together. If we uses the channel of education, if we use true educational mix, togetherness is possible. The best lesson of these days wasn't in the textbook alone. It was also learning about one another through the flavor, through the traditions and culture we share. One table is what just carried all this kind of food. Just one table, not two tables, not three tables. One table. That is a symbol. One table. Our one table. Many nations. One table. Many culture. One table. Many nationality. One table. Endless smiles. This final class shows that unity grows when people comes together with one open heart and open mind. Today, we celebrated diversity in the most beautiful ways. Everyone contributed something unique, and together we all created something special, which was in the memory. Food has the power to build bridges where words sometimes fails, where sometimes fail, words of mouth. Say, words without action, it cannot carry water. This was our last days in school. Our last days was filled with laughter, discovering, and appreciation for each one another. Appreciation. We appreciated one another. Appreciation for each others' culture, this wasn't just a meal, it was a celebration of friendship, a celebration of different food. It was so amazing. This was so amazing. A celebration of different tradition. This was me, as you can see. I'm just, I said, let me still appear. Before I call, my mathematician teacher, say, give me your camera. Let me still cover you as well, so that you can still appear for your baby girl can still appear. I'm not saying I just look food, we just this is a celebration of friendship, celebration. Hi guys, this was me, your baby girl. Like guys, just put your take under the comment section. Subscribe to this channel. It's good we continue to see. If you want to be seeing more videos, more updates, please subscribe to this channel. This is a Creative Kingdom. So these are, as you can see, all those spices, beautiful, different colors, different kinds of food. This wasn't just a meal, it wasn't just a food, it was a celebration of friendship, a celebration of different food, a celebration of different tradition, a celebration of different people sharing one joyful experience together, because together we can stand. Together we can stand. The world always talk about division, but today our table told a different story. Many culture, many food, one family. No politics. We didn't even know politics. Without politics, everything stay calm. No argument, no border, nobody with tensed up. Just people sharing food, laughter, respect. I want to make us to understand that sometimes food can teach what years of debate cannot do. Every plate on the table carries a culture, as you can see. Every bite carries a story. Today, we traveled across the world through food, through different cultural food. As you can see, that food. So if you know that you are citing your cultural food there, your traditional food on this table, please put something, just put your take under the, if you know this, oh my word, this was everything gone, because this was so delicious. My mathematician teacher made this. It was just so delicious. It was a cake. This was also a pieces of cake. The remaining part of that cake was so everything, because they all taste so good, so unique. Look at flavor, aroma. Oh my God. So this is what love can create. Different nations met around one table and discover how much they had in common. When people